Hello, this is Natalia Serene, and today I'll be guiding you through this breathwork session. Please find a comfortable spot where you can close your eyes and relax. Gather your attention inward to the focal point of your breath. Become aware of your breathing without trying to influence it. At first, we'll just be observing the breath. How does it feel each time you inhale and your belly expands like a balloon? Each time you exhale and your body releases into that exhalation fully. Take notice of the sensations in your body that come along with each breath cycle. Okay, moving on. I'd like you to try and influence your breathing to become slower, deeper, and more regular, making your inhalation and exhalation equal in time. So together, we're going to breathe in for 4 and then release that breath for 4. Here we go. Inhaling through the nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling through the nose for that count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again, inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. On each inhalation, feel yourself completely expand. And on each exhalation, feel yourself fully release and melt into a more relaxed state. From here, we're going to shift into box breathing. We're going to keep that timing for a count of 4 and add retention. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Retaining the inhalation without locking the throat or holding on to any tension. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling fully. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then maintaining that exhalation and just pausing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice this together. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain the inhalation. 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, retaining 1, 2, 3, 4, exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4, inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, retaining 1, 2, 3, 4, exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, pause 1, 2, 3, 4. This breathing technique can be practiced anytime and any place. Be sure to return to it when you want to feel calmer, more centered, and grounded. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.